Hello and welcome to CrosExperts, where we help you get the most out of your Chromebook. Today we're going to be talking about a new feature in our CrosPaper Chrome extension, Live Wallpapers. Regardless of your Chrome OS device's specs, CrosPaper will adjust and run smoothly. As you can see, even low-end devices, such as the Lenovo Chromebook Duet, or Celeron-powered devices like the Samsung Galaxy Chromebook Go can play back videos as wallpapers. The best part is, it's free for all CrosPaper users. But how can we use CrosPaper to create and set a new live wallpaper? Let me show you. First, we'll go to the CrosPaper pop-up and open the Live Wallpaper editor. Once the Live Wallpaper options are opened, let's go ahead and read the instructions on how any user can create and set live wallpapers for free. It says maximum resolution supported is 720p and maximum live wallpaper length is 10 seconds. And that will play once every 5 minutes. CrosPaper Pro members, maximum resolution is 4K and the length is 30 seconds. As a non-pro user, I can play a 720p video for 10 seconds. Pro users can enjoy benefits like looping and controlling the interval that the video will replay. As a free user, I can pick a local file to serve as my video. But where could I get a video from if I don't have anything that I want to use as a wallpaper? Let's try a free video hosting site like Pixabay and see what we can find there. Let's go directly to the video section of Pixabay. Let's scroll through what they've got. Now, any of these videos could serve as a wallpaper. Let's get something to match the season. There we go, something nice and snowy. Now, as you can see, the resolution is too high for a CrosPaper non-pro member to use at 1080p. But don't worry, because Pixabay allows us to pick a smaller resolution as our video. 720p. Now that's a perfect fit for CrosPaper free. So let's go ahead and download that. You can see it appeared on my shelf once it finished. So, now that that's done, let's go back to CrosPaper. Now that we've got it downloaded, we can select a video from Local Files, which will open our Downloads folder. Let's pick the video we just downloaded. And you can see it play back here in the page. Nice. Now we need to select where our wallpaper will begin, as well as where it will end. So I could type 0 in the start time, and then drag the place head to a place where I want my wallpaper to stop playing, and then click Set in Time. Like so. And that would be a about 4-second long video. And I could do the reverse, of course, where I drag the start time and input directly an end time. But since this video is below 10 seconds, we're going to use the whole thing. So I'll just put the start time at 0, and I'll drag the playhead all the way to the end and use that as the end time. Excellent. Now we can submit this video. Let's see how that looks. Nice. This is how it's going to play back on our screen. We have the option now to replay the video, and that will allow us to see exactly what we're getting once more. If we need to inspect the video, see if it's good, we'll check it again. Or we can select yes or no. No would allow us to re-edit, and yes would finalize. But we'll check it one more time before clicking yes. And that looks good. We're happy with it, so let's go ahead and select yes. Now you'll see the video being converted. It just takes a moment until a thumbnail of your video will appear as the current live wallpaper. So you get an idea of how long this will take. We'll let it play through in real time. Now this is all taking place as I'm screen recording, as I'm capturing the audio. So you can see that on any Chromebook, really, this is possible to do. It's not a particularly taxing event. And there we go. It popped up. So we're all done. All that's left to do is to click Start Live Wallpaper, which is the button just at the top, and then save all of our options. Very good. And here we go. Live wallpaper playing back on our Chrome OS desktop. And that's all for this video. If you have any questions, feel free to post them below in the comment section, or you can talk to us on our subreddit. Until next time, this has been CrosExperts. Happy wallpaper picking.